Hi, we're Jerry and Melissa Steeves. We've been selling on Amazon for, as of today, about 17 months. And as of this morning, we were at just over $182,000 on Amazon. I think the hardest thing was not every deal's a good deal. When you're out there doing your retail arbitrage or you're finding it online and things like that, you see, this is an amazing deal and I know I pay way more than this, but finding the right thing that's going to actually sell on Amazon, because like Adam said in his workshops, there's a lot of stuff out there that looks like a really good deal, but not all of that is a good deal that you're going to make money on. And I think for us, when we had our coaching with Ben, he really covered that with us and made sure that we were following the rules and that we knew what to look for. We learned a lot, and I know when we go out to do retail arbitrage like we did today before we came to the workshop, we're a lot more picky about the things that we buy, and we want to make sure that we're getting that good deal. He really helped us just focus on the simple things. It's not as difficult as it needs to be, and I think sometimes when you step into internet marketing or internet selling, it seems like it can be really overbearing and you just don't know where to start, but he just kind of focused us right down. Very first thing he had us do was just list stuff in our house from our phone. And we actually got a sale on a used book our first day that we did that, which was really exciting. So he just took it down to the simple things, taught us the rules that we needed to know, and it just, his support was just amazing for questions.
He gave us some great programs to use too that helped kind of narrow down a lot of the different items, different things that we had to look for.
Really, the Amazon business and the way that Adam teaches it, like really what he teaches in his seminar is just totally how you do it. It's as easy as it says. It's a big step to get into it, but for my husband and I, we're semi-retired and we wanted something to supplement our income because we have 8 grandkids that we want to visit and spend time with, and this business gives us the time to do that. We didn't realize how easy it is to just go online, find my one product every day, have it sent to the prep center, and then not worry about it, and I can go on to the rest of the day and go babysit my grandkids.